Welcome back, everyone. Jennifer from Concepts by Jennifer Dotson, and today I'm going to be doing a short video on how to make lemon lavender sugar scrub. And I made my own intro to this video and I spent a lot of time on it, so let me know if you like it. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do that also in my other videos. But today, for the lemon lavender sugar scrub, you're gonna need half a cup of olive oil or coconut oil, so I'm using coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil or sweet almond oil, which is what I'm using, a cup and a half of raw granulated organic sugar, 8 drops of lavender oil, which is optional, so I'm going to be using it, the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of 1 lemon, a teaspoon of lavender buds, and a container to put your scrub in. So lavender lemon scrub, it exfoliates your skin, it leaves it feeling refreshed and smooth and very moisturized from the coconut oil. And it's just clean and revitalizing to your skin, and that's what sugar scrubs do, is exfoliates your skins and helps bring a new layer of skin up to the surface. So let's go ahead and get this started. So we're going to mix the coconut oil. Let me scrape this out of here. Now with my coconut oil, I did melt it down a little bit, but not to a liquid. You can do it to a liquid, but I didn't do mine that way. Then we're gonna add the vitamin E oil, and I'm just going to put a squirt in there. Sorry, sweet almond oil. You can use vitamin E oil if you have it. I didn't have any on hand, so I'm using sweet almond oil. So we mix these two together, and we're going to add your cup and a half of granulated sugar. Just mix this together until it's all incorporated. This is a really easy recipe. Alright, then I'm going to add my drops of lavender oil to this. You can add more if you want. Basically, it's one of those recipes you can alter to how you like it. Then I'm going to add my lemon zest. And your lavender buds. Mix those all together. And we're going to put in our lemon juice. Now just give it a roll so it gets the juices mixed up. I'm going to squirt it in my bowl first so I don't put a whole bunch of seeds into my sugar scrub. Of course, you could do this ahead of time. I just waited till I made this video so I could show that I grated all of the skin off of the lemon. So basically, I'm just going to pour this lemon juice in here. Now the lemon is going to brighten up your skin, help with any impurities, and it's also going to make you smell great. It's good for the spring and even in the winter if you're getting winter blues. Using citrus helps add vitamin C, and it uplifts your mood and your spirits and everything. So we're just going to mix all of that together. And there's no reason why you can't make this recipe because it's super simple. It's done. Just show your skin some love. So we're gonna put it in a jar and it will last in this jar. Make sure you have a good sealing tight lid jar that you're putting it in. And it will last up to a month with this type of jar. If you want to do these and make them as a gift, you could put a pretty bow on it. Give them to your girlfriends or your daughters or yourself. Doesn't that look pretty? It smells amazing also. Lavender and lemon all together. So if you're not familiar with sugar scrubs, you're gonna want to do the sugar scrub to exfoliate your skin before you get into the shower. So when you do get in the shower, you could wash this off and it's just basically gonna clean your skin and leave it nice and yummy and good smelling. And you'll have a nice healthy glow. And thank you guys for watching. If you liked my video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I will be doing giveaways once I get 100 subscribers. And thanks everyone.